Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I used two palettes. I used mostly the Magic palette by Juvia's Place for this look today, but then I also teamed it with the Hasina 2 from Blush Tribe. So I'm going to be using these two palettes to create this look right here. It's very green, however there are touches of purple in it, there are touches of blue and silver. There are just like so many cool things, cool tone things going on in this look right here, and I absolutely love it. So if you want to learn how I created it, then of course keep on watching. I'm going to start off with a brow bone highlight, and for that I'll be picking up this palette right here. And I think I want to go specifically for like this pale, bluish color right here. And this is going to be packed into my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. Next, I'll be taking this color right here called Yahidi. I'm not trying to pronounce these names, but this is like a navy blue color. So I'm just going to be taking it onto a relatively stiff brush, and this is going to be packed into my crease area. After that, I'm going to be taking a tiny crease brush. I'm going to be dipping it into this color called Mani from the Hasina Blush Tribe, or the Blush Tribe Hasina 2 palette. And this is basically going to be used to diffuse the edges of the blue in my crease. I think I want to take a little bit of the remaining color left on the brush that we used to apply the blue, and I'm just going to apply this into the inner portion of my eyelid. And I think I want to apply a little bit into my outer corner as well. Now what's going to happen is I'm literally going to take my finger, I'm going to dip it into like this beautiful, like really vibrant green color, and I'm just going to press this all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to go back in with this brush, pick up some more of that blue color, and I'm just going to run this along the edges of the green just to like diffuse those edges and make everything a little bit more cohesive. I'm literally just going to be packing this color along the edges of that green eyeshadow to add some more depth. I'm going to take a little bit more of that green color and just pop it right into the very center of my eyelid so we can add some more intensity. My skin has really not been the best lately, so I'm going to go take a little bit of foundation to try and even things out a bit. I'm literally going to take the smallest amount possible. And this is like all I'm taking, and that actually might be a little bit too much, but I'm going to be taking a flat brush. Where is my flat brush? There it is. And I'm just going to coat the brush a little bit at a time and just apply the product where I think I need it the most first. And then I'm going to lightly diffuse it on the rest of my face, if that makes any sense. Then when I'm satisfied, I'm going to go in with a buffing brush and just buff the entire thing out. Now I'm going to take a little bit of a stiffer brush and I'm going to dip into this color called Ife, I think. And I'm basically going to be applying this into my lower lash line. Closer to the outer corner of my lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with this same navy blue that I was using earlier. And I'm just going to apply this color right into the outer portion of my lower lash line, so it sort of ties into what we have going on in the top lash line. And then what I decided to do is I decided to apply some inner corner highlight using the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Liberty. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Loose Highlight in the shade Santorini. I am literally going to be using the product that is left on the lid, and I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face. Okay, that's a little bit much. I feel like I want to add a little bit of like bronzy rosiness to my face. So I'm going to be using this blush right here. This is from Milani, and this is one of their baked blushes in the shade Bellissimo Bronze. Since I literally don't like too much blush, I'm going to be applying the smallest amount on my face. Honestly, this feels so weird, me using blush. I do have to admit. And then to bronze things up a bit, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Light Medium. Lashes have been applied, under eye mascara has been completed, and now it is time for lips. I was actually looking at some of my lipsticks and I realized that I had this one that I had completely forgotten about. This used to be like my favorite nude lipstick of all time, and I remember loving it so much. This is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade 902C. Bear It All, and I'm going to be applying this on my lips today. My lips are a little bit stained, by the way, since I did have some red lipstick on yesterday, but hopefully this will still look good. Crossing my fingers. This looks absolutely beautiful so far, but I think I want to give it one extra bit of a punch with some lip gloss. Now, the lip gloss I'll be applying on top is the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade So Cute. I've mentioned this before on my channel. This applicator drives me out of my mind. It is terrible. So what I do is I literally just take this lip gloss, I put some of it on my finger, and then I tap it on top of my lips. I haven't worn like an actual nude lip in so long. It feels so weird to not be wearing like a really bright and bold lip. But I feel like for this look, I mean, I could have like done like a really plummy kind of color on the lips, but today I wanted to go with like a classic nude shade, and I absolutely love how like everything looks a little bit more balanced and everything looks so put together. So I really do like this look and how it turned out. Of course, let me know your thoughts down below. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.